In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can easily add a music bot to your Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. First things first, once you get on the server that you want to add that music bot to, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate to the top left and just click on the server name and then go into the server settings. Scroll down on this page until you find this little app directory section and click on it, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Once you get on this page, the music bot that I personally recommend is actually Greenbot. So click on this top part and then search up Greenbot, and it's going to be this first one right here. Click on it and then simply hit add app, and it's going to pull up with a section that looks like this. Simply select the server that you're trying to put it in, hit continue, and then hit authorize, and what it's going to do is actually pop up with an authentication code. You will need to type this in. After typing it in, it'll say it's added in, and then you just need to simply go to that server, and here's all you need to do in order to do this. Firstly, join any voice channel, and once you're in a voice channel, what you want to go ahead and do is actually go down to a chat anywhere and just type in dash play and then hit enter and type in the song name. In this case, we'll do We Are the Champions, hit enter, and what it's going to do is think for a little bit and then play that song. It'll join the channel, and it's going to pop up with all these options as well. You could stop it, pause it, skip it, like it, turn the volume up, turn the volume down, or even loop it. It really is as simple as that. To add more songs to the queue, just retype in that command again with another song title, and it will add it to the queue. But that's it. It's super easy. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.